Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to download Replika app. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Google Play Store. Then after, search for Replika app. Then over here you can see Replika my AI friend. Tap on it. Then over here you can see the option of install. Tap on it. Replika app is a friendly app that helps that talks with you. It is made for our communication. It has the power of emphasizing our thoughts and feelings. Wait until it's download, then tap on open. Over here you can see its rating is 4.6 and it is rated 18 plus, so you must be 18 plus to use this app. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content. Your Replika app has been installed. Now tap on open to use it.